In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the video resolution in Google Vids. Whether you're dealing with internet bandwidth constraints or you simply want to watch videos in the highest quality possible, adjusting the video resolution can significantly enhance your viewing experience. So let's dive straight into the process. First, let's start by navigating to Google Vids. Google Vids is part of the Google Workspace family, offering streamlined video sharing and viewing options seamlessly integrated with Google's existing suite of tools. Once you reach the Google Vids homepage, the next step is to sign in. Look for the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. This action will prompt you to choose the Google account you wish to use with Google Vids. Select the account you prefer, and you'll be redirected back to Google Vids, now logged in and ready to proceed. Now, with access to your Google account, you have the ability to view and manage your videos. To change the resolution of a specific video, you want to first locate the video within your library or the shared videos available to you. Navigate through your videos and click on the one you want to adjust. As the video starts playing, you'll see various controls appear on the screen. Your attention should be directed towards the top right corner, where you will find the play button along with other video settings. Among these controls, there's a gear icon representing the Settings menu, which is your next destination. Click on this gear icon to unveil a host of adjustable options related to your video playback. As you might have guessed, our focus lies within these settings, specifically on adjusting the video quality, which directly correlates with its resolution. Upon clicking the gear icon, a small menu will pop up. Here you'll want to click on the Quality option. This action opens up another submenu dedicated to video quality settings. It's within this menu that the magic happens. You are now faced with a range of video resolutions to choose from. These options typically range from lower resolutions like 360p, suitable for slower internet connections or mobile viewing, to higher resolutions such as 1080p or even 4K, assuming the original video supports such high quality playback. It's important to consider that higher resolutions deliver clearer and more detailed visuals, but require more bandwidth and data to stream smoothly. On the other hand, lower resolutions, while not as crisp, will load faster and save data, making them a wise choice for limited or slow internet connections. Take a moment to decide which resolution best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on it and the video will automatically adjust to the new resolution. It's that simple. You can now enjoy your video at your preferred quality setting. Remember, the settings you've adjusted apply only to the video you are currently watching. If you navigate away or choose another video, you may need to repeat the process to ensure it plays at your desired resolution. This allows for flexibility, enabling you to tailor your viewing experience on a video-by-video basis according to varying internet speeds or specific quality preferences. Before we wrap up, here's a small tip. If you're frequently facing buffering issues at higher resolutions, it might be worthwhile to explore options to improve your internet connectivity or to default to lower resolutions for a smoother viewing experience. On the flip side, if you've got bandwidth to spare, indulging in the highest available quality can truly elevate your viewing pleasure, making the most out of high-definition displays. And there you have it. You now know how to adjust video resolutions in Google Vids, ensuring that your video streaming experience is just the way you like it. Whether optimizing for quality or bandwidth, you have the control. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. For more tips and tricks, feel free to check out our other tutorials. Happy streaming!